What's the plan for today?
Find a working flashlight. Oh, she found some. I've found 4 dead ones so far. Hey, that one works. Cool.
Peace, Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're 2 do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
We're going to put the floorboards back in, reroute that dry bilge line, and then we're going to start work on all of that wonderful engine room insulation, hopefully. Okay, so we're going to replace this dry bilge tube because it got some crud in it that stopped it from working, and of course the dry bilge kept trying to empty it, so we're going to hopefully take this new tube and just pull it through the line here. So you're pulling the cruddy in up there.
This line. Oh, that's nasty.
Hang on. Okay, pull again.
It's hard to pull. Am I pulling?
Yes, very slowly. I want to see which one of these it is. Okay, pull faster. Okay, stop. Keep pulling. Let's get this leak out.
Hey, I got tape.
You got enough to get over to the pump?
Okay, I think I have enough.
I added another dry bilge pump to the front side of this because it was bolt staying down here some. So we need to get this line run, which I think probably going to be the easiest way is going to be to push it down the hole and then I'll catch it and feed it down in this area here. Let you have the fun of feeding. Doing my daily boat yoga here. The dry bilge lines come down there and then they go over and go on down. So we're running that new one. Okay. Oh my goodness. And we need a zip tie. Yeah, it looks just wonderful. There's that guy. Some rusty water in that one. Yeah, it should be in the deepest spot of that bilge. Okay. We're done in the storage room bilge. So we are going to close it up. Screw catcher. Okay, that is back in. Open the door up there. Start thinking about that fun later. I'm trying to install engine room insulation here, but I'm trying to get this light out of the way. Of course, there's also this circuit box. Everything's just perfectly in the way.
What is that stuff?
Spray contact adhesive for foam.
Ow.
Okay. And the bond. There's the first piece of many. Well, you can see we got a little bit going in up there by the light, and then we got this big piece which I'm getting ready to put in. Well, that is that piece in. That was a true pain in the rear piece to get in. Slowly putting it in. I'm going to spray this guy. Okay. Let's see. We'll go ahead and do about there. Go ahead and mark where the pins are. Okay, so we're gonna go here.
Oh, you're killing me.
Yep. Probably should have been more forward.
Okay. Now it's time to put the beast up.
Get your end all the way there.
Okay, and now we just need to slide her in. Get there. Okay, now just hook you into the pins. Get over. Okay, there's one pin on. Cap on it. Oh, there it is. Here, a couple covers. Caps on. Come on, get on.
You want to go cut another one? I'm going to do tape while you're cutting.
Something hard there. Bang my head on.
Do you want me to cut pieces?
You can.
Long pieces?
Yeah.
Hello. Well, we've started using the rear water storage tanks over the past 2 or 3 weeks, and they're mainly getting washer dryer water. Our dryer is also a condensation unit, so you don't have a vent on it. And it started to get kind of stinky back here, and it took me a moment to realize, oh, the problem is there's no traps on the shower drain or the sink drain here, which are also connected to those. So needless to say, odor is starting to come up, and it's quite strong where I am right here, because the drain I'm trying to clip is right back there. It's the big white pipe. It's right behind one of the blue pipes there. I'm looking for a cap. I don't know if I have any 1.5 inch. Oh, no, not a cap.
Oh, the joy of plumbing.
Yeah. Endless collection of parts, and you never have. There's a cap. But I think that's a 2-inch.
Oh.
So we got a gap.
Something in between.
Just one size too big.
Okay, we're gonna continue looking.
Yeah. Okay. So there we got our plug. So we'll stick that in. I'm not going to glue this on now because the slip will be tight enough.
Okay, so that one's now
Plugged.
And then the other thing is down there in this lumber storage. Okay, now we got to move wood. We moved stuff from out of there into here. Okay, we got it all plugged up. Put back. It already smells better in here.
Yep.
Got it. Turn it over so I can cut the rest of it. Oh gosh. Drunken sailor cut this. You got it?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't put that.
Pair of clippers. Pikes. Yeah, those. It's too long. 1/2 inch. Too much.
I don't know how I'm measuring that far off.
Okay, hand a piece to me. Got a bolt in my side.
Watch your head.
I just don't know if I'll be able to get this beast in. The amount of sliding I have to do.
What if you stuck it up there, no glue, pull it down, spray the ceiling, spray the bottom,
We'll give it a try.
but you want to do some pins first, right?
No,
Oh,
there's no way I'm doing pins.
okay,
Actually, I could do a pin like this now. I got room in here.
okay.
Okay, one pin. So we got that piece in. Okay, you want to slide that piece up to me? This thing is super tight.
Too wide?
Yeah, there's just no give to slide it in. Oh, it's 19.
No, the front's 19 and a half. You went, I see you went above your line. That's the part I'm trying to slide. And
Yeah, well, it's hard, honey. It's not to keep it on the line.
yeah, well, you need to go back and trim it then.
I did trim some, but apparently not enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, it's all the way up and in. It fits, but man, it is snug. So that's what this looks like up in there. And now we got a pin. Yeah, and spray.
Ah.
Just blocked it. So we got a little bit more of the engine room insulation done. Here we got those sections all the way across.
You can see the insulation pile has gotten much smaller, which is always a good thing. And how about a shot of the ceiling in there? There you go.
May still fit. Let's go.
May not be thick enough.
If you can see here, this is made for a slightly wider door, and so we got to put a little 1/2-inch block in this. Oh,
Are we gluing it on, or
Yeah.
what is that piece called?
it's a doohickey.
Wood glue?
Yeah, it's part of it, but not this part.
Is just a tiny bit too big.
Right. Now it seems to go in much nicer.
Third time's a charm. Or second. I don't know what time this is.
Now let's see if this fits better. Great.
We gotta take it all out again.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, this is just a little off center.
Fourth time's a charm.
632nd time is the charm.
We'll go without a doorknob.
Yeah, get in your hole.
How is that possible?
Well, that is sticking in. It's pretty straight. Centering it. There's not enough.
Come in.
Okay, well, seems to be working.
All right, looks good.